Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're discussing a situation many of us have faced: dealing with an angry girlfriend. Relationships are full of wonderful moments, but they also come with challenges. It's important to know how to handle these situations with care and understanding. In this video, we will cover 10 effective ways to deal with an angry girlfriend and how to convince her to make up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful relationship advice. Number 1. Stay calm and composed when your girlfriend is angry. It's crucial to stay calm and composed. Reacting with anger or defensiveness will only escalate the situation. Take a deep breath and remind yourself to stay patient. Keeping your cool helps to prevent the argument from spiraling out of control and shows that you are mature enough to handle the situation. Number 2. Listen actively. One of the most important things you can do is to listen actively. Let her express her feelings without interrupting. Nod to show that you are listening and understanding her perspective. This validates her emotions and shows that you respect her feelings. Sometimes, just feeling heard can help to diffuse her anger. Number 3. Acknowledge her feelings. Acknowledging her feelings is vital. Say things like, "I understand you're upset," or "I see why you feel this way." This recognition shows empathy and helps to make her feel understood. It can be very soothing to know that her partner is not dismissing her emotions, but is instead validating them. Number 4. Apologize sincerely. If you have made a mistake, a sincere apology can go a long way. A heartfelt apology that acknowledges what you did wrong can help to mend the rift. Be specific about what you're apologizing for to show that you truly understand the impact of your actions. Number 5. Give her space. Sometimes, giving her space is necessary. She might need time to cool down and process her emotions. Let her know that you respect her need for some alone time and that you are there for her when she's ready to talk. This shows respect for her boundaries and allows her to come back to the conversation with a clearer mind. Number 6. Offer a solution instead of just focusing on the problem. Try to offer a solution. Discuss ways to prevent the issue from happening again in the future. Collaborating on finding a compromise that works for both of you can turn a negative situation into a constructive one. Number 7. Show affection. Showing affection through small gestures can be very reassuring. A hug, a kiss, or simply holding her hand can help to bridge the emotional gap. Physical touch can convey your care and concern, even when words fail. Number 8. Surprise her with a kind gesture. A thoughtful gesture can go a long way in making her feel appreciated. Surprise her with her favorite flowers, a handwritten note, or a small gift. These gestures show that you are thinking of her and value her happiness, which can help to soften her anger. Number 9. Communicate openly. Open communication is essential for resolving conflicts. Encourage her to share her feelings and concerns openly, and do the same. Honest dialogue helps to build trust and strengthens your relationship, making it easier to navigate through tough times. Number 10. Plan a special date. Planning a special date can help to rekindle your connection. Whether it's a romantic dinner, a fun outing, or a cozy night in, spending quality time together can help to mend the rift and remind both of you why you love each other. Dealing with an angry girlfriend can be challenging, but with patience, understanding, and love, you can navigate through it successfully. Remember, every relationship has its ups and downs, and it's how we handle these moments that truly defines the strength of our bond. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice. Thank you for watching.